Jake, what year is this thing?
2017.
2017, 1.8 Passat. This is that eBay install we were talking about. TSI. Some Boston wheels. 19s?
Yep.
I'm gonna be doing all the work today since, you know,
Crippled.
Jake is a little crippled. Do a walkthrough on it. Do a little sound clip at the end. Just has a muffler delete on stock exhaust though. Sounds pretty nice. You get a lot of talk about how these 1.8 TSIs don't sound all that great. I don't think you could get it any better than this. But we're gonna do the eBay install. Front lip, side skirts, and this faux carbon fiber diffuser. It needs to be trimmed quite a bit. And I think all of this is universal fit, so let's try to get this to the best look possible. Looking more aggressive. eBay parts are not ever going to be a direct fit when they're not specific for the car. I think it came out pretty nice. We'll drop it down. I'll have to snap a few pictures. Close on the side here. I think it helps that the car's white too. It looks good. Tiny Tim was doing work. Alright, now onto the rear.